Hello, Anna.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, dear. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's great to hear, honey. Merry Christmas. Anna, do you celebrate Christmas, my dear?
Yes.
Did you celebrate the Christmas?
No.
No. Yeah, because Vietnam doesn't have Christmas, right? Yeah. Okay. Anyway, honey, how's the weather today in your place? How has been the weather there? Is it sunny, windy? Here, honey, the weather is very gloomy and I think it's going to rain later on. How about there, honey? How's the weather? Anna?
The weather is hot and sunny.
Oh, it's hot and sunny. I see. Well, me, I am so thankful, honey, and I am really, really thankful that it's not hot here right now. Anyway, honey, are you ready for our class? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so teacher is now going to share the screen, okay? Yeah, Anna, all you need to remember, honey, is that when you're asked a question right here, all you need to remember is that you're going to make at least 3 sentences. Okay? For each of the questions, you have to answer at least 3 sentences or 4 sentences, honey. And then you're going to have the main idea, the supported idea, and an example. Okay? Honey?
Yes.
Yeah. When you're trying to make your answer, okay, I'm going to explain it to you. An example of an answer that has main. Oh, that's you. You're so beautiful. Supporting idea. And the last one, example. Example from a question. Okay, I will show you the example, honey, okay? Like this. For example, honey, the question goes like this. Why is, okay, teacher's going to show the notepad. I'm going to show you a notepad. Okay, here. Okay. I will show you the note here. Can you see it? Anna? Can you see teacher's screen?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. For example, honey, the question goes like this. Why is reading important for students? Okay. This will be your main idea. Please read the main idea, honey.
Reading is important for students because it helps them learn new things.
Very good. Okay, that is the main idea, okay? Now, you're going to have the supporting idea. For example, like
When
this.
students read often, they improve their vocabulary and understanding of different topics.
And then example, this is how you're going to give your example like this. Please read.
For example, a student who reads storybooks every day can learn new words and understand stories better in class.
Yes, that's how you're going to make your answer for each of the questions later, okay? Yeah? Ready? Okay, so teacher is now going to have your questions. Ready now, Anna? Let us start now. Let's deal. Tell me something you bought that was expensive. Tell me something that you bought that was expensive. Okay, tell me about the main idea, honey. First sentence. Again, tell me something that you bought. Oh, tell me about something you bought that was very expensive.
Something about that was very expensive is a sweater.
Expensive was a sweater. Very good. What is your supporting idea for that one, honey? Okay. What's your supporting idea for that one? Something that I
Sweater.
bought. Okay. Something that I bought that was very expensive was a sweater. Yeah. Who bought that one for you?
So that was very expensive.
Mhm.
Is my sweater.
Yeah. And who bought that one for you, honey? Let's have the supporting idea for that one. My mom. Who bought it? Is it your mom, your daddy, your uncle, your sister? Who? Anna? Who bought it for you? Honey, let's have the supporting idea of your sentence. You said, the main idea said, something that I bought that was very expensive was a sweater. Now, what's your supporting idea for that?
It's my sweater.
Mhm. You said, okay, you said, okay, for your main idea, hon, you said, something that I bought that was very expensive was a sweater. Okay? So now, what is your supporting for that?
Ý kiến hỗ trợ của bạn cho điều đó là gì?
Who bought that one for you, honey?
My mom.
Okay, that will be your supporting idea, honey. How do you say it in complete sentence? My mom. How do you say it in complete sentence, honey?
My mom bought my sweater. That
Oh.
was very expensive.
Okay, my mom bought it for me. Okay, and then what is your example for that one, honey? Can you give an example for that? Or maybe you can say, when do you use that one, honey? When do you use that sweater? When do you use that sweater, honey?
What?
When do you use the sweater that your mom bought for you?
I use it in the winter.
Okay, I use that sweater when it is winter time, winter season. Okay, so let's have your main idea, supporting idea, and your main idea all together. You're going to say it. Okay, I'm going to paste it, honey, in the screen. Okay. All right, please read, honey. Kindly read. Honey, can you read it?
Something that I bought that was very expensive was a sweater. My mom bought it for me. I use that sweater when it's winter season.
Very good. That is it. Okay. Okay. That is it, honey. Okay. And then the first. Okay. Now, let's have the next one, honey. Next question. Let's go to the next question. Where is your favorite place to go shopping? Where is your favorite place to go shopping?
When for groceries is shopping is more because in this I go shopping in the mall. I can see many beautiful clothes.
Okay, very good. So the main idea, honey, is that your favorite place to go to for shopping, is in the mall because you can see, this is it, honey? You can see many beautiful things to buy in the mall. Very good. Okay, now, honey, please give me an example of the thing that you buy in the mall, honey. Give me an example of a thing that you buy in the mall.
Hey, I buy shoes. I buy the shoes.
Okay, okay. Let's have this one.
A t-shirt and
Mm,
a skirts.
okay, that I usually buy. There are shoes and t-shirts. Okay, so let's have your main idea, supporting idea, and your example, honey. Please read your answer.
My favorite place to go for shopping is in the mall. Shop, you can see many beautiful things to buy in the mall. The things that I usually buy there are shoes and t-shirts.
Very good. Great job, honey. Okay, let's shuffle. Okay, hold on for a while. Okay. Next one. Let's have the next question. It goes like this. Do you enjoy shopping? Why or why not? Do you enjoy shopping, honey? What's your main idea for that?
And
Yes or no?
yes, I do.
I enjoy shopping. Why?
I enjoy shopping because I go to shopping. I'm very happy because I can buy many clothes I like. Um, um, other clothes I would not have.
Very good, honey. Great job. Okay. All right, let's have the last one, honey. The last part, which is the example. When do you usually go for shopping, honey? Are you
Uh, I have to look close and then I buy things, and last I buy a clothes.
Honey, when? When do you usually go shopping?
Sometimes I go shopping at the weekend.
Okay, at the weekend. Very good. So here are your main idea, supporting idea, and your example. Very good, honey. Please read your answer. Honey, please read.
Yes, I do. I'm just happy because when I go shopping, I feel very happy because I can buy many clothes. Sometimes sometimes go shopping at the weekend. I sometimes
Okay, very good. Great job, honey. Okay, now let's move forward to the next one. Oh, I'm going to put this one in the chat box. Okay, please read a question, Anna. Kindly read a question.
Which stores or shopping mall do you dislike in your town or city? Why?
Okay, which stores or malls, honey, don't you like in your city or town? What
Story,
is it? Huh?
story,
What? Honey store.
stories.
Honey store. What is the name? The name of the store that you don't like.
Mm, a stone.
Yeah, name. Name of a store.
There is uh during times.
That's the one that you don't like? Okay, can you write? Can you write the name? Mhm.
Because
Honey,
the
wait. What is the name?
waiter
Honey, what is the name? Or what kind of
ties.
Kais? Okay, can you type it in the chatting box, please?
Mm,
It's a restaurant, right? Ah, the store that I dislike is the store for children's toys. Why, honey? Why do you dislike it? Because
because the is very expensive.
because they sell expensive toys. Oh,
Yes,
okay. For example, honey, for example, give me an example of an expensive toy that they sell. How much is it? For one toy, how much is it in Dong?
20 or $50.
20 to $50 toys. Okay, so let's have your answers right here, honey. You have to read your answer for this question, the main idea, the supporting idea, and the example. Please read.
The store that I dislike is the store for children's toys because they sell expensive toys. For example, they sell $20 to $50 toys.
Yes, okay. Thank you so much, honey. Now, let's have the next question. Okay. Please read the question, Anna.
Do you prefer to shop alone or with another person who wants?
Okay, do you
No,
prefer to shop alone or with another person?
I thought I go with another person with my mom, because when I go with my mom, she can choose many beautiful clothes for me.
Very good. My mom, she chooses many clothes for me. Okay, great job, honey. Can you give an example, my dear? Give an example. For example, when was the last time that you went, honey, with your mom? When was the last time that you went shopping with your mom? For example, when was the last time, honey?
What?
When was the last time that you went for shopping with your mom? When was
Last
the
week.
last? Okay. The last time, how do you say it in complete sentence?
The last time
That
I go shopping with my mom is last weekend.
Okay. The last time that I went shopping with my mom was last weekend. Okay.
What?
And what did she buy for you, honey? What did she buy for you?
She buy a skirt
And she
and
bought
hoodies for me.
Great. Okay, teacher is now going to share your answer in the chatting box. Please read.
I prefer to shop with another person like my mom, because when I shop with my mom, she chooses many clothes for me. The last time that I went shopping with my mom was last weekend. She bought a skirt and a hoodies for me.
Very good. Okay, thank you so much, Anna. Now let's move forward to the next one. Why do many people enjoy window shopping, honey? Do you know what is window shopping, my dear?
Because it's so cheap and they can buy clothes sale.
Honey, window shopping is looking in the store, honey, without buying them. Window shopping is looking in stores without buying them. They just look, honey, but they don't actually buy it. Okay, here.
Ngắm nhìn các món đồ trong cửa sổ cửa hàng mà không mua chúng.
Yeah, that's window shopping. So why do some people enjoy it?
This doing because they look the clothes
They look for the clothes.
is beautiful or not beautiful. If the clothes is beautiful, they can go
They'll check, honey. They will check. Yeah. They will check if the clothes are beautiful or not. So, let's have the connector so on. So, if the clothes are beautiful, then are they going to buy it?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Can you give an example, honey? Give me an example. Have you done window shopping before? Have you done it before?
No.
How about mommy?
I don't know. My mom made it go in.
Hmm? Does your mom also go for window shopping? Does
No.
she do it?
No.
Oh, so how do you say it? No one in my family. How do you say it in complete sentence?
Or in my family, they is go into the shop to look, not look window shopping.
Okay, no one in my family goes for window shopping. Okay, so let's have your answers now, honey. The main idea, the supporting idea, and the example. Please read.
Yeah. People enjoy window shopping. They will check for the clothes if they are beautiful or not. So if the clothes are beautiful, they would probably buy it. No one in my family go for window shopping.
Oh, I forgot, honey. So maybe let's just put and. And no one in my family goes for window shopping. Okay, next one. Here, please read, honey.
It's better to use cash for credit card. Why?
Which one is better? Do you know credit card? Honey, this is credit card. Oh,
Thẻ tín dụng.
that's credit card, honey. Do you know credit card? Honey, do you know credit card? Credit card is a small plastic card used by a bank that lets you borrow money for things. Okay? I'm going to share it to you now in the translation, by translation here.
Một chiếc thẻ nhựa nhỏ do ngân hàng phát hành, cho phép bạn vay tiền để thanh toán các khoản chi tiêu.
Okay? It's a small plastic card, honey, used by bank that lets you borrow money to pay for things. That's a credit card. So which one do you think is better? Is it better to use your cash or a credit card?
Nên dùng thẻ thường hay thẻ tín dụng?
I mean cash.
Nên dùng tiền mặt hay thẻ tín dụng thì tốt hơn?
Cars. But it's better to use cars because they can easy to pay
Easy to pay.
and use credit card it's not better than because you can you because the stoller can take uh can take credit card.
Oh, because someone could steal your card. Yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Okay, that's great. That's really great, Tony. Very good. Hold on. Okay, it is better to use cash. Okay, what is the example for this one, honey? What is the example for this one? Honey, have you seen someone? Like, have you heard about a credit card being stolen by someone?
No.
Okay, give me an example, honey. For example, when you buy at a small shop, you can quickly pay with cash and do not need to worry about someone stealing card details. Okay, maybe I will just help you. Okay? So let's have this one. I'll just help you with the example. Okay, please read. Honey, please read.
It's better to use cash because it is easy to pay for something, and when you use credit card, it's not good because someone could steal your card. For example, when you buy food at a small shop, you can pay quickly with cash and do not need to worry about someone stealing your credit card details.
Okay, very good. So I just provided the example for you, honey. That is how you make the example, honey, okay? That is how you make example. So follow that. Okay, next one. How often do you go shopping? I think we're done with this one, honey. Shuffle. Okay, let's deal. Okay. Please read, honey, the question. Please read the question, honey.
Are you saving your money to buy something expensive, for example, a TV or car?
Okay. Are you saving your money to buy something expensive? For example, a TV or a car, honey? But first, do you save money, Anna? Do you save money?
No, and my mom money.
Ah, you don't save money, honey. You don't know how to save money, my dear. Anna?
Ah, my money to buy expensive bed, the expensive best a laptop.
What else?
This in my laptop in my money.
Oh, so you save money, honey, to buy bags, laptops, and
Yes.
buy bags and laptops. Only bags and laptop, honey.
What?
Okay. So, honey, here, how do you save money? How do you save money?
I have this money to my test holiday. In test holiday,
Hmm.
my My money take holiday.
Ah, okay, I see. So I save. You so how do you say it? I save money from the Tet holiday. Holiday. Ah, okay, okay. I save money from the money that I get from the Tet holiday. Okay, great job. Okay, honey. Let's have this one. Let's have the example. Ah, I think that is your example already, honey. Okay. So, honey, why do you save? Okay, let's have the supporting idea because you're done with the example. Why do you why do you save money, or why is it important to save money? Mhm. Why is it important to save money, my dear? Okay, do you want me to translate it? Okay, okay. Going to translate it, okay? Here.
Tại sao tiết kiệm tiền lại quan trọng?
Because saving money is important because when you have worry to use money, have worry, you can use this saving money to this worry.
Ah, okay, because you don't need to worry. You don't need to worry about what money to use. What money to use when you want to buy something. Okay. Teacher's going to paste your answer here. I just corrected some of. Okay, here, honey. Teacher's going to paste it. Kindly read your answer. So the main idea, the supporting idea, and the example are already there. And now please read.
I save money to buy bags and laptops. It is important to save money because you don't to worry about that. What
Ah,
money to
I'm sorry,
use?
honey. You don't you, you don't need to worry about.
Because
Okay, please remember. Continue.
you don't need to worry about what money to use when you want to buy something. I save money from the money that I get from the tech holiday.
Very good. That is it. That's complete. Okay, let's have the next one. Mm, we're done with this one, honey. Anna, can I go to the toilet?
Yes.
Anna, okay, wait for me, okay? Let's just read the question. I will just go to the toilet, honey.
No.
I am back, my dear. Thank you. Okay, here. Let's have the next one, honey. What is the best thing you ever bought and why was it so good?
The best thing I ever bought. Uh,
Was?
I don't know.
Honey, you have to think. Thing that's really best for you. Me, the best thing that I ever bought was my phone. Yeah, was my phone, honey. How about you?
My iPad, my tablet.
iPad? My tablet. Why?
Because it's have me to use. Because I can.
It helps you?
It was so good because it have me in everything. For example, to watch film, to chat with my friend, or buy something.
Very good. That is the answer that I really like, honey. That's perfect. Buy something from online, right? Okay, great job. Okay, please read your answer again, honey. Honey, please
The
read the best
thing
thing.
that I ever bought was my tablet because it helped me with everything. For example, to work film, to chat with my friends, and buy something online.
Very good. Okay, great job. Oh, we're done with this.
Done.
Okay, what is the worst thing you ever bought? Why was it so bad?
The worst thing I ever bought is is
Me, I think the worst thing that I ever bought is this one. This power bank. This is the worst because it doesn't work so long. How about you?
this
What is that?
parrot
Toy?
toy. Yes.
Yeah.
It was what is so bad because it not to you everything is in the prepare and in my tablet in my table.
Huh? Honey, say it again one more time. I don't understand what you said. The worst thing that I ever bought is the toy because why was it worst? Why was it
Because
bad for you?
it not important on my
Ah,
table and it's so different to put on my table.
and it is the different one to put on my table. Okay. Okay, please read your answer, honey. Can you read? Honey?
The worst thing that I ever bought is the toy because it's not important for my table and it's the different what to put on my table.
Yes. Okay. Now let's have the next one. Okay, here. Would you like to work in a store? Why or why not?
Yes, I would like to work in a store because I can read many comments when not people to buy there.
You can greet many people, honey.
No, I can read many comic books.
Ah, you can read many comic books in the store. Okay. Honey, tell me, why is it nice? Okay? Why is it nice to work in a store?
When it come in store, it have if in store have a new stories, I can read it before people buy.
New books before the customers buys it. You're such a silly girl. Okay. All right. Let's have this one, honey. Please read your answer.
Goodbye.
Not yet. We still have 12 minutes yet left. Please read, honey.
Yes, I would like to work in a store and I can read many topics in the store. It's nice to work there because I can read new books before the customers buy it.
Very good. Okay, that is it.
There it is. Like bamboozle.
Okay, please read, honey. Kindly read this one.
A good idea for stores open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Why not? No, I think it's not a good idea because um open a store 2 hours a day and not on 7 days a week and not sleep is not good for health.
Okay. It is not good for the workers, for the store workers' health. Okay, very good, honey. That is it. Workers' health. Okay. So wait, what do you think, honey? How many hours do you think is it better to open a store, honey?
What?
How many hours should a store be open?
I think uh I can open uh mm, te- think open for 8 hours.
Mm.
I think it's a good idea on
Mm.
7 days a week. In the
Mm.
morning is 4 hours and in the afternoon is 4 hours.
Oh, 4 hours
It's
in the
good.
morning.
It can good for health uh and time
Mm.
can and a time can good health.
Okay. Every week. Great job, honey. Your answer is really right. Okay, so teacher's going to write your answer here. Please read.
I think it's not a good idea because it's not good for the store worker health. I think the better hour to open a store for just 8 hours, 4 hours in the morning, 4 hours in the evening every week.
Very good.
In the afternoon.
In the afternoon. 4 hours in the morning, 4 hours in the afternoon. Okay, great job, honey. Would you like to have a store? Would you like to own a store, Anna? Would you like to have a store?
No,
Why? What kind of store do you want to have?
comic book.
Okay, a comic book store. How about a convenience store? Don't you like to have a convenience store? You don't like it? You don't like Okay. Anyway, honey, let's have the next one. We still have 8 minutes left. We're done with it. Okay, here. Do you spend too much money when you go shopping? Why or why not?
No, I don't
Why?
because I am busy.
You are busy? Honey, is it good to spend so much money for shopping or it's bad? Is it good to spend too much money for shopping or bad? What do you think?
What?
Is it good to spend too much money for shopping or bad? Is it good to spend too much money? And now again, is it good to spend so much money for shopping or not?
What?
Honey, you have to be serious, Anna.
I
Is
don't
it
know.
good? The last, okay, I am going to translate it, okay?
Mhm.
Có nên tiêu quá nhiều tiền cho việc mua sắm hay không?
No, I don't because I think the money can spend too much, spend too uh 20 or $50 to go shopping, and the money is to use everything.
So it's bad. Okay, let's have the next one. Okay, how can you save money when you go shopping?
I can save money to go shopping is it's my mom to use the as cause I work this shop. I mean how much this clothes they uh and if this clothes is expensive but expensive and don't know to find, but it's beautiful. You can go different or buy online, different shop or buy online, and this is to use to save money.
Choose through online and rather choose. Okay, please read, honey.
I can save money when I go shopping by asking how much the clothes cost, and when the clothes are expensive, so I don't buy it and read the to throw online.
Okay, and rather choose through online. Okay, let's have the last one, honey. We just have a minute left. Okay. In your family, who usually goes shopping the most, honey? The most often. In your family,
My
who
mom,
usually? Hmm.
my mom not go shopping. She buys online because she buy online is so cheap, but that buy
Mhm.
outside and it can beautiful.
Okay. Anyway, honey, you did so well in constructing your answers perfectly, honey. Thank you so much for your time, Anna, and we're going to meet again next meeting. Bye
Goodbye.
bye.